In this video, we will see how to create all required constants and variables for our expert advisor. As we saw on the video dedicated to the builder, we can access them by selecting any of the links on the left menu. That will pop up a window in which we will create, modify and erase them whenever we need. Constants is the name given in fxDreema to the EA's input parameters because they cannot be modified. Each one will be identified by its type, name, value, and description. All new constants are defined as of double type by default, but we can change it simply by writing the one we want. In the next video, we will study how many different types are available, as well as their different purposes. In the name field, we can write how we will identify it as an input parameter. In the value field, we will insert the number, text, or suitable information for that type of variable. On the description field, we can add any additional information we consider as relevant for this constant. For a constant to be fully operative on fxDreema, type, name, and value fields must be properly filled in, whereas description is always optional. Every time a new constant is ready, we must click on the Update button, otherwise changes will not be saved. We can create as many new constants as we want by clicking on Add New. On the other hand, if any constant is to be removed, we just need to click on Delete. We'll follow the same process to create variables. Whereas constants' values are unchanged, variables' values are precisely that, variable. In the value field, we will insert their initial number, text, or suitable information that will be modified as required by the expert's program. All other features in this window are exactly the same as those explained for constants. Let's see how constants and variables are included in our EA. For this purpose, we will create a double constant called a with a value of 0. And a double variable called b with an initial value of 35, for example. We will not add any description information in any of them. Now we select a condition block and open its information window by double-clicking on it. This is not the only block in which we can insert constants and variables. It's just an example. We will see more blocks on how to manage the information windows later in the course. Here we have several dialog boxes that can be manually modified. If we right-click on some of them, we will be offered the possibility of inserting any of our current constants and variables available. We will choose the one we want just by clicking on it. We can remove or change all of them by right-clicking on it again and selecting Use the original value, or any other one. Once a constant or variable has been included into a block, it cannot be deleted from the general Windows list. If we try it, a message informing us about the blocks in which it can be found right now will appear. This is a safety measure designed to avoid involuntary erasing mistakes. We can modify any constant or variable's name here, and it will be immediately updated on all blocks in which it's included now. This is another platform feature designed to ensure that we don't miss any modification of any name in our project. And now an example. This expert advisor is designed to close all open trades once a specified pips target is reached. This target is the sum of all open and closed trades so far, including those with a positive and negative result. We will show the details of this expert advisor in another video. Now we will focus on its constants and variables only. There is only one constant called target. This is the input parameter in which we will specify the amount of pips that, once reached, will order the EA to immediately close all open trades. We can insert the value we want here, but we will set it to 0 in order to choose different values every time we run it on the MT4 platform. On the other hand, we have 3 variables, all of them with an initial value of 0. We will not see any of them as an input parameter because they are required for the program to calculate how many open, closed, and total pips are accumulated so far. We will not be able to interact with them once the EA is operative. By clicking on the Delete button, we can see the blocks they are included into. We can do it safely. None of them will be deleted as long as they are included in one block at least. It's time to test it. We will export the file in MT4 format and will install it on our MT4 platform. Here we have it. When we drag it onto the chart, the Input Parameters tab will show us 2 available entries. Firstly, the constant we called target. Here we can choose how many pips are to be achieved for the EA to close all open trades. Secondly, the magic number created by default. We saw how to choose this number on the basic procedure video. Notice that none of the created variables is visible nor selectable. They are not designed to be modified by the trader, but to be used for internal calculation purposes only. Please watch our video dedicated to this free available EA for more details about its functionalities.